We found Maple TA when we were looking for placement software. When DigitalEd started to form from or break off from Maple TA, we were looking for software to help us, or some sort of platform to help us develop an online course, because this is our first go around for an online and a completely asynchronized online course.
Considered many options, pre-made courses from other companies were come part of their textbook, but we kind of were unhappy with the way those were. And the fact that with Mobius, we could create our own content, the order we want, the types of problems we want, all of those things really appealed to us in creating our online course. And then COVID came along and we were shut down. So we had to pivot really quick, and we decided, and we had kind of wanted to move this out to the other courses anyway. So we took that opportunity to then develop this for a general calc course, move it out to all of our pre-calc courses as well. And so we really quickly got together and were able to create it for the general calc course.
We now use Mobius for our on-campus courses. So we've just moved most of our first year courses completely to Mobius. What's very nice about Mobius is that you can have a master class, and then the faculty can actually, individual faculty can take that material, they can rearrange it, they can rewrite it, they can write their own material and add it in. So it's very flexible.
One of the things we really loved about this, having dealt with textbooks for decades, is you never can find the textbook because you didn't write it. You're always going to fault. So here is your opportunity to actually write a textbook tailored to how you and your colleagues teach, your pedagogy, your all that.
It's a great experience to work in two different environments that way, and to know that anytime we were working on Mobius that it worked. It was just like we could be on campus, we're on Zoom, and it would still be a great collaboration. Ed and I built in like try it now problems that they can really try as they're going through the material. So the ones who actually go through the material and do at least the try it nows, and we've built in practice problems in each of the sections and everything. So we don't just wait till they do their homework. There's been really good positive feedback from them that it's helping them, they're understanding things more. The pre-calculus, we added videos in, so every section has a video, and the general calculus we haven't. And so I noticed a little bit of difference with students' reaction from the pre-calculus and general calculus. They seem to like the videos more. You know, they like that they could go back and watch you doing examples.
The algorithmic questions allow you to think deeper about the problems and how they're set up and solved. I definitely think a platform like Mobius is wonderful because it allows the instructor to create the material they want and present it to the students in the way they want it to, without having the students having to spend hundreds of dollars on a book, which we have students that can't pay for it. So this allows them to at least have that resource ready and done. They don't have to worry about it.